I'm Average Joe. And this is my first video. And you're wondering why. You ask yourself, what the hell is an average Joe? Well, an average Joe is a guy who can't afford to buy a chain for a chainsaw. So what does he do? He just gnaws through a tree that's falling down on the ground. As you can see, I've already cut up a lot of the tree. A lot of the trees hauled to the road. But average Joe still has a lot of tree to go. And the sad thing is, well, it fell on my lawnmower. So I don't know if that's crushed or not. We'll find out as soon as we get this tree cut up. So if you like content like this, just watch Average Joe. So we're cutting up this maple tree that's out during the storm to come through. We got half of it cut, half of it to the road. But we had to tighten up our chain on our chainsaw, which unfortunately we could not go to the store and get a new chain. For some reason they gotta have all this numbers and crap, which I didn't have at the time. So, just tightened it up. What we're gonna do is we're gonna start cutting some more as much as we can and hauling it off. Cut up. So now I'm having to haul this to the road piece by piece. One thing you got to remember, when you're using a chainsaw and you're cutting up stuff like trees or whatever, you got to watch your legs and hands and arms. So, be safe when you do that, and make sure you got a sharp chainsaw blade or chain, because that makes a world of difference. We tried to get one this morning. No one had one, so here I am trying to use a dull chainsaw to do this, so it's taking longer. So, again, when you do stuff like this, safety first. Continue hauling what I have to the road in this little wagon. This, well, I'll have to come back to, because like I said before, this chainsaw, well, the chain is shot. As you can see, it's not cutting, it's just eating basically through the wood, and the chain is smoking. It's just not good for the chainsaw. So I'm either gonna get another chainsaw or a new chain. And when I do that, we'll do another video and we'll finish this. And the good thing is, on the next video, hopefully, we'll see how it works out. You may see us repair this little mower, little Troy built. As you can see, the tree fell on it, right? And it messed us up inside. It crushed where the spring goes on the rope and stuff. You pull it, it starts. But hopefully, all I have to do is take the top off of that, and then we can get there and see what happened to it. But that's a future video. Again, if you like stuff like this, like, subscribe. Average Joe. Until the next time, be safe.